Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another interesting video. If you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Prince. I build websites, mobile apps, and I come here and show you guys how to do the same. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to build an advanced courier logistic website. This courier logistic website is not like the usual one you've seen. It gives you the ability to be able to make comments on a package, to put a package on hold, and other amazing feature. I'm just going to go ahead and put in the package number, and then I'm just going to scroll down and come over here, and then I'm going to hit track package. I'm going to scroll down. Right here we have status pending, print invoice, we have estimated delivery date, origin, current location, destination, total freight cost. Right here we have receiver information, dispatch from origin, in transit, California, USA, comment, shipment picked and dispatch. Right here we have in transit Los Angeles, cleared for international airport. Right here we have Los Angeles airport in transit, cleared. Right here we have London Heathrow, arrive at custom transit warehouse. Right here we have customs, shipment is being held for documentation review. Right here we have Ghana pending. Right here we have delivery for destination, we have package details, and so on, guys. So I'm just going to go back to the homepage and show you guys how this shipping website homepage looks like. Right here we have the website logo, we have home, logistics, services, about, contact, track. Right here we have transport and logistics, courier service, discover, or right here we have track your shipment, we have package details, we have worldwide logistic, and right here we have leadership, global supply chain, and right here we have the live charts. Right here we have services, quality delivered as standard. Right here we have this, find out approximate cost of delivery of your shipment. Just go ahead, put in your miles, enter destination, width, height, and it's going to give you an estimated cost, right? All right, let's say width 10, height 10, right? And then weight, I'm just going to put 10 kg, right? And I'm going to click on calculate cost. So it says $125,000. Right here we have trusted by some of the world companies. And over here we have logistics. Right under logistics we have transport and logistics. Discover our services, reliable UK Island Transport Logistics since 1973. Right here we have Pacific, that is the brand name. Right here we have contact us today. So over here we have services which display every services the company offer. Right here we have supply chain solution, internet fulfillment, global freight forwarding, our global world forwarding, supply chain, international, contact us today. Right here we have the about us, which basically tells about the company. Right here we have to make the process of buying and so on. So right here we have the contact us, and this is basically where the contact details are being stored. Right here we have please send us your inquiries and so on. Ahead of this we have customer service, we have emergency, and we have want to know, where we can easily fill the form and then contact the shipping company. So guys, without further ado, we just go ahead and then log into the admin and see how the admin dashboard looks like. I'm just going to go ahead and then edit admin login, right, slash validate underscore validate admin, right? And then right here I'm just going to log out and log in again. So click log out and I'm back to the login page. I'm just going to go back and then log in, sign in. So I'm signed into the shipment admin page. Right here we have create new shipments, we have tracking code, senders, receivers, and so on. So here are unique features, right? So right here you can go ahead and update a shipment, right? So I'm just going to show you guys how these features looks like. Right here we have the tracking number, senders, status, cancelled, location. So right here I can just come over here and then put a shipment on available, right? And then I'm just going to come over to location and then select a new location. Let's say India, right? And then put a comment. So let me just, okay, let's say for instance I'm going to come over to status, right, and then I'm going to put on route, right? So I'm going to put location India, and then I'm going to put an optional note. So I'm just this package is now in India, right? Then I'm just going to scroll down and then click submit update. So my tracking update has been added successfully. I'm just going to go ahead and then copy, and then I'm just going to go to the home page, and then I'll come over to track, and then I'll go ahead and paste my tracking ID and then click track, right? And then I'm just going to scroll down. So right here it says on route India, comment, this package is now in India. Here it says this is the delivery destination. Great, guys. So I'm just going to come back to the admin and let's explore other features we have on the admin dashboard, right? So right here we have, I'm just going to go back to dashboard and show you guys other features. So over here we have edits. So right here we have sender information, receivers information, sender's name, sender's email, receiver's email. Right here we have package details, weight, payment mode, right? Right here we have shipping mode, which you can actually select. Right here we have origin destination, which is what we saw. First cost, estimated delivery date. We have dispatch dates, shipment status. We have lots of shipment status here, right? So right here we have shipment progress day 65. I can update the shipment progress to 100 depending on how I want my shipping to work. So I'm just going to go back, and then right here we have edit, which we've seen, whereby you can just go ahead and then edit. Right here we have edit shipment, on route, your shipment details, edit your cost, go back. So same thing with updates. You can actually update a shipment, which we've also explored this. And this is the last this is a comment for this shipment. Shipment is being held by documentation review. And this is the date 307, 12 August, and so on. I'm just going to go, and here we have a note to turn on custom clearance document require notification. You need to update shipment status to customs. Okay, I'm just going to go back, and right here we have create a new shipment. So this is an interface whereby you can actually create a new shipment, whereby you put in your sender's name, receiver's name, sender's email, sender's receiver's email, sender's address, contact. We have package details, tracking number, quantity, right? We have weight, payment mode, which you can actually insert, shipping mode, effort, road, whatsoever. Right here we have dispatch dates, approve, and then you can also upload your package image. We have shipment progress. You can actually put 100% depending, and as we can see, we can also update the shipment progress, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and fill in some values. Package name, let's say gold, right? And then I'm going to put receiver's name. Just going to put some random value, receiver's email. Going to put this, and then address. Put this. Scroll down right here. It asks me for package description. 30,000 gold, right? Then we have package number. I'm just going to put 111. Then we have quantity, weight, payment mode. We have origin. Just going to put India as my origin, location Australia, right? Destination, current location Australia, destination United States, right? So right here we have freight cost. I'm going to put $1,000. So we have estimated delivery dates. I'm just going to go ahead and put 16th. Dispatch date, just going to put 18th, right? Then shipment status, going to leave it as approved. Progress, I'll just put 75, right? And then I'm going to upload package image. Package image has been uploaded successfully. I'm just going to go ahead and click on save. So it says Courier created successfully. So this is the details of what I just created. Let's just go ahead and then track our package, right? Click on copy, and then I'll come over here and then scroll up and then click track to be able to put in my tracking number, or I can just come over here, scroll down, then paste, and then click track package. So right here we have tracking number, estimated delivery, right? Shipment progress 75, origin India, current location, destination, total freight $1,000. Right here we have India, delivery date, package image. Right here I click show additional details, payments, mode, Bitcoin, and so on. I'm just going to go ahead and then track the previous package so that we can see how the receipt looks like. Just going to go ahead and click on track package. So right here, I'm just going to come over here and click print shipping invoice. Let's go ahead and cancel this. So right here, we have tracking number, we have address. Right here, we have barcode, we have sender details, we have amount, dates, we have clearance cost, total amount, and so on. So this is basically how the receipt looks like. So without any further ado, I know the question on your mind is, how do I design a Courier website just like this? I'll be leaving no stone unturned in this video. I'll be showing you guys step-by-step guide on how to build a Courier logistic website. So guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please kindly make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video, and share so that other people can benefit from this video. Before we explore how to build a Courier website just like this, right here we have the email service, and basically you can actually send email notification to your client directly from the admin. So right here we have, you can actually add manager, you can manage admins, and right here we have settings. So under these settings you can set up your website directly from the admin. You can put in your website details, your address, preference, and then set up your email notification and so on, guys. So guys, in order to set up a Courier website like this, first of all, you need a domain and an hosting. A domain is basically a URL which your clients or your customers are going to use to access your website, and an hosting is basically where you are hosting your files. So I actually provide services where if you want to get a domain, you can reach out to us and we can get you a domain and hosting that will keep your site long. So having have all these, let's get to business. I'm sure once you get your hosting, you get your either your H panel details, your C panel details, and this is where you're going to be hosting your files on your C panel or your H panel. So right now I'm logged into my cPanel. I'm just going to first of all create a subdomain. Please kindly note that I'm creating a subdomain because I have an existing site on my primary domain. If you do not have an existing site on your primary domain, go ahead and then set up your project on your public underscore HTML under your file manager. I'm just going to come over here and then put subdomain, right? And then I'm going to click this domains, right? So under domains, I'm just going to scroll down and then put in my subdomain. I'll create a new domain. All right, here I'm just going to put logistics, right? Logistics, right? Dots. Then I'm just going to put in this because this is literally the primary domain. Then I'm just going to go ahead and click submit. So in a couple of seconds, I should have my subdomain created successfully. So say you've successfully created the new, which is the new subdomain which I just created. So I'm just going to scroll down and then come over to File Manager, right? And under File Manager, I should be able to find the subdomain which I just created. So right here we have logistics, right? And we have an empty folder. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and upload the scripts for this project. So I'm just going to go over here and click upload, and then go ahead and then select file to be able to upload the script for this project. So right here I have my script uploading. So guys, the script has been uploaded successfully. So right here, in case you're wondering if the email notification works, so here's the email notification which I got for my package. A shipment has been created. Tracking 111 there. So a shipment has been created for you from gold, and then this is my email to, and so on, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and then come over to this, and right here I have my script uploaded successfully. I'm just going to come over here, and then right here I'm just going to reload, right? So I'm just going to click and then click extract. I'm going to extract files, and the file will be extracted, right? And right here I have this CGIBIN, and well, the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and open this and go ahead and then move all folders to this directory. So right here, I'm just going to come over here. I'm going to right click and then click extract. So I'm just going to go ahead and extract it here and then click extract files, right? All files has been extracted to the subdomain. I'm just going to go ahead and click on close. And then I'm just going to go ahead and then download this database, right? And then click on back. So right, all files are now here. The next thing I'm going to do is to set up my .env file. Right click on the .env and then click edit. So under the app underscore URL, I'm just going to put in my subdomain URL, right? Then I'm just going to copy and then come over here, right, and then paste. So right here it says remedy code. I'm just going to go ahead and put in, let's say, Fed Reserve shipping, right? And right here I'm being asked for database name, username, and password. I'm just going to come over here and then come over to the search and then put in my SQL database wizard. And then I'm just going to go ahead and then create a database for my project. I'll just call this logis, right? And then I'm just going to copy this, and then you can just feel free to paste it on a notepad so that you will not forget. I'm just going to go ahead and paste this here, and then I'm just going to copy all these and use it as my password, and then confirm password, and then I'm going to click on create user. So a user for my database has been created. I'm just going to click on all privileges, scroll down and click on make changes. So this database has been created. The next thing I'm going to do is to go to my phpMyAdmin and then upload my database SQL file. Remember, we downloaded something from our cPanel. So I'm just going to search phpMyAdmin and then hit enter. So right here we have the phpMyAdmin, and this is the database which we created. I'm just going to click on it. Then I'm just going to click on import, right? So under import, I will just go ahead and upload the SQL file. So right here I have choose file. Just going to go ahead and upload the .sql. So here we have it. I'm just going to scroll down and then come over to import to be able to import the database for this project. So the database has been imported successfully. Right here we have a lot of tables on our database. So the first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and change my database details. I'm just going to come over to edit, and then I'm just going to come over to email and change this to gmail.com, and then I'm just going to scroll down, and under password I'll just come over here and then go over to php hash info and then change my password to 1234, depending on whatever password you want to use for a project. And then I'm just going to click on go, and then that is done. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and then connect my database to my project, and right here I'm just going to come over here and then I'm just going to locate the .env file, right, and then I'll come over here and then paste this, paste, right, and then come over here and edit. So guys, right now I'm just going to go ahead and then test the link for the subdomain. Since we are done setting up our project, just going to come over here and then Control V and then hit enter, guys. So right here we have support, shipping, follow, transport, and exactly just like what we have seen in our demo. Right here we have profits calculator, and we have the footer. Right here we have R2025. So to be able to set up your site details, logo, and so on, I'll just come over to admin login / validate underscore admin, and then you'll be asked to put in your email and password. Just going to log out and show you guys. So once I log out, we have all this. I'm just going to go ahead and put in my email and password, which is already there. And then right here we have create new shipment, and under settings, right? Under settings we have app settings. So under app settings, we have website information, and if you scroll down, you'll find where you can actually upload your site logo. And right here we have preference, right here we have email. This is where you literally set up your SMTP. To go to set up your SMTP, go to your cPanel, go ahead and create an email account. Once you're done, you come over here and then set up your email. So guys, to be able to get the script to use in this video, kindly check description of this video. You'll find our WhatsApp contact, also WhatsApp link you can reach out to. Go ahead and reach out to our customer support and request for the scripts. So guys, this is the end of this video. If you know you enjoyed this video, please kindly make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video, and share so other people can benefit from this great video you just watched. Until I see you again, keep going. Bye for now.